Who said that during the government shutdown we can't do our own hair? Baby, watch this video and see exactly how we're going to transform from an amazing mold all the way up to the finished style. Now, this is Crystal from Elite Hair Care USA. If you have stumbled upon this channel or you are new here, please make sure you watch all the way to the end so you can see exactly how your girl was able to achieve luxury salon style hair all in the bathroom of a hotel room. Now, I know you're sitting here saying, wait a second, Crystal, what is it that you just put on your hair a moment ago? Well, that little white bottle, that is luxury in a bottle, baby. That is our frizz control. That is going to serve as the heat protectant. As you guys can tell, I have color treated short hair, and at the same time, it applied a sheen like no other to my hair so that I could protect it while curling. But when I'm done, it's going to leave my hair with a mirror finish, and it's going to help to lock in any moisture that I already instilled from my wash day process, the relaxer process, whatever process you want to call it. Now, the iron that I'm using, this iron is actually from a company called H2 Pro. This is what you call a pencil iron. It is made for people who have shortcuts like myself, or if you have any type of detailing work that you want to do to hair that's a little bit shorter than your traditional 1-inch iron. The reason why we call it a pencil is because it is the size of a pencil, you guys. Like, come on, stay with me, stay with me. And then, of course, the comb that I'm using, this comb is a metal tip rat tail comb. It is nothing fancy. The only fancy part about it is that it is heat resistant and it is able to withstand high temperatures of heat where your teeth in your comb will not warp. Now, if you're new here and you don't have a clue who the heck I am, let me explain. My name is Crystal. I am the CEO and founder of Elite Hair Care USA. I'm also the woman who's responsible for helping over 500,000 men and women regain their confidence, regrow their hair, and achieve what I consider longer, stronger, and healthier hair. Clock that T. Anyway, you guys, during my live, right before I actually started filming this video, I relaxed and permanently colored my hair. Blue is not an actual permanent color. So when I want to apply the blue, I use lightener first. I got my hair to about a level 10, which level 10 in hair color terms, you guys, is literally blonde. No yellow left behind. And then I colored my hair with a semi-permanent blue color to give me that area or that patch of blue that you see. Now, the hair on the sides and the back, which is my natural color, you do not see any gray in this video. No, you guys, I had to cover those grays. Like, listen, I'm 39 years old. My man don't want to see gray hair, okay? I can't be the only woman that feels this way. If I'm not the only woman that feels this way, make sure you comment down below and agree with your girl. Because guess what? Gray hair is in, but it is not in my book. And when I say not in, meaning I don't want to look mature, I want to look childish. I know y'all are sitting there like, Crystal, stop it. No, let's keep going, you guys. Keep going. Stay focused. Or maybe I need to stay focused. Okay, I need to stay focused. Anyway, you guys, what I'm doing is going in what you would call a roller set pattern. Okay, so let's talk about when you're curling your hair. Curling your hair is not an art. It is a science. It is something that I always recommend you master over time. Your first curl, second curl, 10th curl, maybe even your 20th curl is not going to be your most amazing curl game. But the more you practice, the better you get. So for me, I always make sure that I start with some type of serum to give my hair a nice slip. And by nice slip, I mean making it easy for the iron to glide across my hair. But I'm not just going to use any type of serum. I want to use a serum that's also going to have more purpose, such as heat protectant. Yes, I have a shortcut. Yes, my hair is about the inch, maybe less than an inch at this point. But I am going to do my absolute best to make sure that I'm protecting my hair at all costs. And when I say protecting my hair at all costs, I mean making sure that I'm doing my due diligence and not leaving my hair care for chance. Now, for those of you who are color treated and you're wondering, okay, how am I going to wash my hair and keep that vibrant blue color? Well, no worries. You can use our Soothe and Balance pre-treatment for your pre-pooing. That is going to give you that zinc. That's going to give you that health. That's going to give you that oomph. Then after that, you are going to clarify using our Elite Clarify and Refresh. The good thing about Elite Hair Care shampoos and conditioners, baby, they are sulfate free, so they do not strip the hair of its natural colors or its natural oils. It's going to leave behind all the goodness that you want it to leave behind. And then what you're going to do is go into your treatment shampoo. Now, because I'm relaxed and color treated, I am using our Hair Repair 2.0 shampoo and conditioner for my first wash. And then I will switch over to our Biotin Boost collection. Why? The Hair Repair 2.0 has the botana oil, the garlic oil, the onion oil. It is going to be the hair repair system that I need to make sure that my hair is absolutely amazing. And then when I switch to our biotin boost, that's going to give me that strength that my hair is missing on a repetitive basis. Now, to finish off my style, I sprayed my hair with a little bit of Goddess polish. Now, I know you're sitting here like, wait a second, what is Goddess polish? That is our shine spray. That is going to leave the hair looking super glossy. It is also going to protect you from environmental damage later on. And it is another form of added heat and humidity protectant. Now, to finish up, I went ahead and used our flow comb. Right now, this comb is sold out, you guys, but we do have our wide tooth comb that you can use in place of that. And then, of course, your girl had to clean off all that blue color off her forehead because nobody wants to walk around looking like Incredible Hulk, baby. Like, we're not doing that anymore. But once I was done, you guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished style. Comment down below, you guys. Tell me what you guys think about the finished style. Tell me what you guys think about this color. Because I literally was on live for about 3 hours trying to achieve this color. And I think I did it. I think I did it. Now, baby, if you are looking for products that is going to help your hair, not hurt your hair, give you that longer, stronger, healthier hair, go to my website, elitehaircareusa.com. Grab you some of our Elite Hair Care products. They are made by a professional for you to be a professional at home. And that is what we're doing now. We're not doing anything else, okay? You guys like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget, comment down below. Tell me what you think. And, of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.